Namaskara, Namaste, Satyam Eva Jayate. We are joyful to greet you. Christ is rising. Christ rises from the dead in order us to unite in this beautiful and graceful prayer. Glorious days are coming in order to bring a bridge, a live bridge between the Ukraine and India, in order to have this blessed cooperation by our students and also by our Orthodox schooling centers. We are now here in Holosiyeve, near one of the biggest monasteries of holy protection of our Mother Theotokos, and also Tikhvin, icon of Theotokos. We thank you for your prayer for us, and we invite you to come to Ukraine and to continue our graceful cooperation from the times of holy apostles. Saint Thomas, Saint Andrew, Saint John the Gospel, and other holy apostles of Christ. Thank you so much. Christ is rising.
Вам зараз покажу. Хлопчики, дівчатка, одяг, мішають. Просто є. Ми все дозволили.